Daily use English words. Headless, laparwa. Sajag, careful. Laparwa, headless. Sajag, careful. These are called opposite words. सांस लेना, inhale. सांस लेना, inhale. सांस छोड़ना, exhale. सांस छोड़ना, exhale. Opposite word, inhale, exhale. कामचोर, सिरकर. कामचोर, सिरकर. अजीबोगरीब, peculiar. अजीबोगरीब, peculiar. So the opposite word is peculiar of sirkar. Pakhandi, hypocrite. Pakhandi, hypocrite. Nausikhia, novice. Nausikhia, novice. Hypocrite, novice. Perfidious, namak haram. Perfidious, namak haram. It is always used everywhere, anytime. We always use with those who are very close. Next one, jugar. Makeshift. Makeshift, jugar. Makeshift, jugar. Jugar, makeshift. Next word, snoop. Tangarana. Tangarana, snoop. We always just see that lots of person don't take care on their self and they start snooping. Next one, next word is, you can just say confess. It means kabul karna. It is a verb which is used everywhere, like that I have confessed myself. Next one, punk. It means tapori. Tapori, punk. Punk, tapori. Please remember and use in your own language so that you can just improve. Next one, risna. It means leak. Dubona, dip. Dubona, dip. Risna, leak. Leak, dip. Dip, leak. Next one, chhav. Shed. Chhav, shed. Umas, humidity. Umas, humidity. Shed, humidity. Next one, savdhani, precaution. Savdhani, precaution. Lakshan, symptom. Savdhani, precaution. Lakshan, symptom.